Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the online teaching. Whenever or wherever you get a job, you focus on certain criteria. For example, time consumption, distance from home, workload, stress, safety, and most important thing is income. If you are going to get good income, you will neglect all the other problems. So coming to the point, we will compare the formal teaching versus online teaching. If we take teaching as the profession, there is a huge amount of teachers who rely on private sector to earn. When we consider the private sector, we will look on certain parameters like how much far away is your job from your home. Second is what is the time consumption. So mostly in private schools 6 to 8 hours they are required. Workload, it is very higher, so it is not only to teach over there for 6 to 8 hours but also to checking the notebooks, making notes, making question papers, marking the exams, compiling the result, and many other issues which can't be described over here. They can be faced by many of us. As well as when we will see about relaxation, so there is very less relaxation over there. And for holidays, you know better that only one holiday it is allowed, or sometime it is also not allowed. And if you are going to get 2 or 3 or 4 holidays, you will be kicked off from the job. And salary or income, if you look over there, so it is just 15 to 20k per month, comparable to the formal teaching, online teaching. So you need not to go away from the home, so you can work from home. So timing or time consumption, it can be variable, so it is up to you that how much time you can work over there or you can spend. So it is up to you, or how many students you have. Relaxation, you only have to work over there for 1 hour, so there is no extra checking the notebooks, making question paper. So every stuff it is available on the websites. Workload, it is very less. And coming to income, if you are working for 4 to 6 hours, so you can earn more than 100,000, or you can say that 1 lakh, nearly 1 lakh 80,000, 90,000 you can earn from here. Then how to start? So only the required thing is laptop, internet, and grip on subject. So if you don't have laptop, you can also work from a cell phone or from a computer. Internet, it should be of the good quality, and grip of subject, so it must be too good. So if you are not good in teaching, as well as you must have an idea that how to teach. Basically most of us, so we are well known to subject, but our teaching abilities, they are not as good as they are required. So if you have all these things available to you, so you can start in online teaching. Languages, they can be variable, English, Urdu or Punjabi. Basically it depends on which country we are going to target over there. So if we mostly target those countries in which the first language is English. As well, mostly the targeting families, they are from Pakistani or Indian background, so they can also understand Urdu or Punjabi, but mostly English is favored. Then how to begin? So we start from a trial class, and software which are used is the Skype, concept board, and by screen sharing. Screen sharing is mostly used for Quran teaching, while concept board, it is a board which was used for basically the teaching of mathematics, sciences, or other subjects like this one. Skype is used for communication purposes. Then the most important question, that how to find the student. So we can find the student from Skype, from phone directory which is available online, WhatsApp groups. You can also find WhatsApp group of targeting countries, and you can join them, leave the message, so they will reply you. As well as the references, many of our relatives are family friends who are living abroad, so we can also request to them so that they can help us to find the student. So in my next video, so I will give the details about that how to use the softwares for teaching, as well as that how we can find the students. If you have any question, so you can ask in the comment section.